Hey, good evening, friends. This is Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and I'm here live from my office. It's a bit of a mess, so I apologize, but this is just the way things work. And it's been a couple weeks since I've stopped in and done any live video, so I was taking a break from work tonight, and I thought I'd just stop in and say hello to everyone. And I hope you all are having a great week and getting ready for the long weekend ahead. There is still time to plant a fall garden if that's what you're going to do. There is time to erect cold frames over those plants that are already in the ground that maybe you want to save. Spinach. I would leave my kale and Brussels sprouts alone because those do fine after a light frost, and the Brussels sprouts will actually sweeten up some. That's the same way with Jerusalem artichokes. You want the frost to hit them before you actually dig them up. But your other cold crops, which are the same ones you'd start in the spring, it's time, at least here in Indiana, to start thinking about getting your covers on them. And for those of you that do not have a hoop house but still want to try to save your plants, here is a super easy, super cheap way to do it. Get yourself a couple tomato cages, okay, because you need the plastic up above your plants. You can use frost cover on top of those tomato cages and just hold it on the ground with brick, rock, whatever you have, pieces of wood, just so it stays securely to the ground. And then you can also use some 6mm plastic. This is Charlie, for those of you wondering. He's wanting to come say hello. You can use some 6mm plastic and just hoop it over the top of those tomato cages. It will work. I'm in zone 5-6 here in Indiana. Depending on which hardiness zone map you want to pay attention to. And it works great for me. That's also the way that I'm able to plant my tomatoes in the garden in mid-March here. So again, I hope you all are having a great night. I want to thank those of you that have stopped in to listen, for taking your time out and coming to listen. If you all have any comments for me or anything you'd like to hear me speak on, feel free to let me know, and I'll talk to you all later.